Hello everybody, this is Susan from Sunrise Quilt Studio, and today I'm going to make blocks from the Thimbleberries Three's Company Block of the Month from 2008. I'm on month 7, and it makes directions are for this block here and these 3 here. So 3 of these and 1 of those. So I've gone ahead and I've cut all my fabrics, and I'm going to start with the large block first. Now I just wanted to remind you that this is a copyrighted pattern, so I don't have a pattern for you, and I don't know the name of this block. They don't give these blocks names, so I don't know what it's called, but I've got all my fabrics here cut, and first thing I need to do, looks like I have to sort my colors out here. This is my medium brown print, which is print number 10. This is the background beige. Using more of the mediums. And then this is the dark, which is print number 11. So I need to make half square triangles with the beige and with these. And then I also need to make a square and a square unit with this. And that will be done with these squares here. So I should have 4 of them here, and I need to draw a diagonal line on the wrong side. So I'm going to draw my diagonal lines, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in place. And draw the line. Now this beige print does have a direction to it, and you can choose which direction you want. The direction is in this, there's a stripe in the background, so it doesn't show real starkly, so it's kind of subtle. But I'm going to try and keep all of those lines going the same direction. And for me, that will be when I sew on this diagonal line, it's in line with the lines that are in the print, so it's not I mean, it's not good. Well, I'll show you. So I'm going to sew on the diagonal line and see if I can get settled here. Just all thumbs today. Okay, I'm going to trim off the outer triangle. Now when I have large triangles like this that I'm cutting off, I do save those, and then I make other pieces out of them. Like from the Star Spangled quilt, I made pinwheel blocks out of all of those corners that I cut off. So I don't throw away everything, but I do throw away some things. But these I'm going to be saving. Okay, here's my square and a square block. Okay, next thing is going to layer these pieces, the beige and the dark brown, and we're going to make half square triangles out of these. So we're going to layer them together, draw diagonal lines, and then sew a 1/4 inch away from both of those, from both sides of that diagonal line. Okay, I got all the half square triangles done. So next thing I need to do is I need to trim off all of these little dog ears off of these half square triangles. Okay, now I need to sew 3 of these together, and they're going to go like this. Okay, so I have all 3 pieces sewn into 4 sections. So we've got 4 sections of 3. And next thing I need to do is to sew these strips onto the bottom, so onto the base where the dark print is. Okay, so here's what those look like. So we have those done now. So I need to take 2 of these and sew them onto the square and a square unit. So one will go this way and then one gets turned upside down. So this one I need to trim. That piece is a little bit too long. Here we go. Okay, there's the middle row. So now I need to take these 2 pieces and then I need to sew the squares onto them. So we're going to make 2 of these. Okay, so here are those, just 2 of those, and then I just need to sew them to the block. So we're all done. So let me show you this block. Okay, here's the completed block. So it really was easy to put together. I have a square and a square unit, half square triangles, and some little rectangular strips and some squares. So went together pretty easily. I just noticed all these half square triangles. Just had to watch to make sure the dark was up against the little medium brown strip. Otherwise it wasn't difficult at all. So now I need to move on and do the smaller blocks. Thanks for watching. For more quilting ideas, click on the video links, and to keep up with my latest projects, click on the subscribe button. I hope to see you again soon.